Imagine reading a novel, watching videos, and even gaming all at the same time. Sounds impossible? That's exactly what the upgraded Atomic Workbench on the Vivo X Fold 6 can do. Big thanks to my tech partner over in China for providing this footage. I really appreciate the support in making this video happen. Hey everyone, Stella here from Techie Street. If you're into staying updated with the newest gadgets, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our latest tech content. The Vivo X Fold 6 runs the all-new OriginOS 6 Fold, built specifically for large screens and AI-powered productivity, and its biggest highlight, the upgraded Atomic Workbench. This new version introduces serial mode, giving the main app much more screen space for a cleaner, more comfortable view. Floating windows are also arranged smarter, making full use of the foldable display. There's also a brand new parallel mode, where up to 4 apps run side by side without overlapping. Resize every window however you like and work across apps without constantly switching. Simply drag a document into another app and finish tasks instantly. Right now, it's hard to find another foldable with multitasking this powerful. Web coding is becoming incredibly popular thanks to AI. The idea is simple. AI handles the coding while you describe what you want. It can generate UI, write code, and build projects with minimal effort from you. Not long ago, creating even a basic app required serious programming skills. Today, AI tools make it possible for almost anyone, and with a smartphone, the whole process becomes even easier. For example, generate content with an AI tool on your phone while using split screen to chat with Lobster through Face on your PC. At the same time, Vivo's remote PC lets you monitor the project live on your phone. Spot a mistake? Fix it immediately and keep going. If you run into another issue, just copy the content into a different AI tool for instant help. Working across multiple apps without interruptions is where a large screen foldable really shines. Once Lobster finishes generating the code, preview your web page instantly on the phone. Everything updates in real time, so making changes is fast and incredibly intuitive. From the first idea to the final result, the entire workflow can happen on the Vivo X Fold 6 without constantly jumping between apps. It's a surprisingly smooth experience. The demo uses a self-hosted open cloud Lobster setup, which needs a little technical knowledge. But if that's too complicated, Vivo is bringing a lightweight vCloud solution through an OTA update in its Office suite. That means an even simpler experience, and it's exciting to see what Vivo's official Lobster integration will deliver. And the Vivo X Fold 6 isn't just for coding, it's also a powerful productivity device. Imagine receiving a long document with no time to read it. Simply drag it into an AI tool and it instantly summarizes the key points. Need more reference materials? The X Fold 6 also makes document management and search incredibly easy. With AI built throughout the system, everyday work becomes faster, smarter, and far more efficient. Think finding an important file takes forever? The Vivo X Fold 6 has a smarter solution, and it gets even better. The AI-powered system automatically recognizes what's inside your documents, renames them intelligently, and sorts them into categories. Even with hundreds of files, finding what you need becomes fast and effortless. But it doesn't stop there. The upgraded Document Manager also connects with your tablet and PC, giving you seamless access to files across devices. Everything stays organized wherever you work. The new Parallel mode is another huge productivity upgrade. Need to compare documents while taking notes? Do both on the same screen. No constant app switching. Everything stays right where you need it. That's the real advantage of the X Fold 6. Its large screen multitasking makes everyday work faster and smoother. Even casual users will notice the difference almost instantly. The foldable display also shows far more content at once. Less scrolling, less dragging windows around. More information stays visible, making every task easier. And it's not just built for work. Entertainment is just as impressive. Whether you're gaming or watching videos, the experience feels much bigger and more immersive than a regular smartphone. Imagine playing your favorite game while checking a strategy guide in another window. Keep a chat open with friends and even watch a live stream at the same time. Yes, the windows are smaller, but having everything visible together is incredibly convenient. Now let's talk about watching sports. Whether it's a late-night football match or a game during work hours, the X Fold 6 creates the ultimate viewing setup. Watch the live match in one window, track real-time stats in another, chat with friends in a third, and even post updates on social media, all on one screen. It's a perfect blend of productivity and entertainment. And that's only the beginning. The 4-window layout is also great for travel planning, photo editing, video editing, or creating vlogs. Everything happens on one display without constantly switching apps. Beyond the upgraded Atomic Workbench, the AI-powered document manager keeps your files organized and helps you find important documents in seconds. There's also an AI meeting assistant that automatically generates meeting notes with one tap, saving time and making work much easier. Put all these features together, and the Vivo X Fold 6 becomes an incredibly capable AI productivity companion. It's practical, powerful, and genuinely useful every day. And remember, Atomic Workbench is just one highlight. This phone has plenty more exciting features we'll explore in our full in-depth review after the official launch. If you enjoyed this preview, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!